Morning, y'all. Well, we got up here at AJ's in Jasper, Indiana. On the way up, we had a few minor issues. I got a hesitation or a misfire going on. It's telling us injector 4, which I thought I had fixed with the injector change before we left out. But it started about 400 miles into the trip. Engine light came on and it started giving a misfire again. And did make it all the way up here. Went through a lot of rain. Got up here and Andy got the bike ride in Tuesday morning. Did diagnostics on it all day yesterday. Still working on it this morning. All my parts are in for the customization. And he's got a lot of nice bikes here. He got a new Ravaco in, the Volcano. 2024. I'll be putting some video in of it, pictures. Give you another update later.